Good morning, everyone. Today is October the 27th. It is 9:11 a.m. Central Time, and unfortunately, over the night, Apple blocked the iccid mode uh, for AT&T again. If you have an AT&T iPhone that you want to unlock, unfortunately, Apple just blocked that option again. If you have any iPhone from Verizon, T-Mobile, Boost Mobile, Cricket, Metro, Verizon, uh, other than AT&T, you can continue doing the unlocks. In this case, we're going to be using the Gevey Pro or the Gevey Pro. If you purchase an smart card, please set this to the side for now. It will be working again. Remember, this happened last month when the new iOS 15 was released. Everything for iOS 14 was blocked. The new smart card for iOS 15 came back to life a few days ago, a week ago to be exact, and it's working. It was working fine until last night. Just put this aside for now, and you just take time for the developers to come up with a new solution. If you have one of these that you purchased within a few days, get back to me. There is a phone number on your order, so you can send me a text, give me a call, and we can do something for you. Uh, if you have a Gevey Pro or MKSD4, the process is going to be the same. MKSD4, Gevey Pro. The MKSD4 is the one that has double tape, the attached to your SIM card. And the Gevey Pro is the one it comes, you can cut in half and be used for the iPhone X through the, 6S through the X and SE2. And the other one, the other Gevey is a one piece that fits iPhone XS all the way to the 13 Pro Max. Okay, so first things first, this iPhone is AT&T, and I'm gonna try to unlock it so you can see. This iPhone has been updated to the latest iOS. It is iPhone SE and iOS 15.1. And right here, SIM locked. Give me the descriptions. So, and this phone is prepaid.
Welcome to AT&T Prepaid. Para español.
Okay, so we're gonna test. I have the most recent iccid from my website. I'm gonna use the smart card so I can show you that it's no longer working on and doing this kind of SIM locks, we are playing a game, a mouse and a cat game. If Apple decides to patch, they can do it, and this has been doing on the past. So we just need to find other solutions. SIM not supported. Put this on the side. And this iPhone XR updated to the latest iOS as well. XR 15.1, and this iPhone is SIM lock, and this iPhone is for T-Mobile. It is locked for T-Mobile. So I'm gonna grab my smart card. Going to the activation screen. SIM not supported, and it is with the latest iccid on my website. remember, I got solutions. Don't drown in a. Only because the smart card is not working for you guys, it doesn't mean that I have other solutions. So I'm gonna for this unlocking, you're gonna need an AT&T SIM card. It's picking a signal, but like I said, it doesn't mean anything. Okay, SIM not supported, no problem. Remember, we need the AT&T SIM card and also have the T-Mobile one, just to check for you to see. T-Mobile on AT&T. I'm just waiting for the SC to give me SIM not supported, of course. So I'm gonna put my T-Mobile on the side. I got my Gevey Pros. This is for the SE, this is for the SC, this is for the XR. And I'm gonna show you if you have an iPhone X, 6S, X, and SE2, you're gonna need half of your SIM tray or half of the Gevey. And I'm gonna sit the 3 pins facing up. And I'm gonna put my T-Mobile. And remember, go to my website, teachers.shop, Teachers Shop Store SA, the company that site, and we'll take you to this and it's telling you all the details about the unlocking. I'm just gonna copy my iccid ending ending 7542, and this number can change at any time, okay? Only because if you're watching this video, it doesn't mean the iccid can be active. So I recommend you to go to my website first and check and see what's available. So I'm gonna put it in. I already copied my iccid. I'm gonna hit dismiss, and I'm gonna hit edit iccid. I'm gonna delete the one that comes with the Gevey. I'm gonna paste mine. I'm gonna hit accept. See, SIM not supported. If for some reason you want to bring the menu back again from the Gevey, from this and this applied to any if you want to bring the menu back, just take up the SIM card you have in, and let's put a Verizon. We only need the menu. Remember, you just need to bring the menu back, and this is how you bring the menu back. Just gonna put it in, hit dismiss, and there's a menu again, guys. Okay, in this case we're gonna hit cyber mode out of 1, and the ICCI number should be and within the Gevey, so we don't need to change it. So just waiting for the and see what it reads. Should SIM not supported. Okay, so right now AT&T iPhones, sorry, but Apple just blocked them again. If you're doing the SIM unlock via our SIMs, if you notice the sequence of the iccid, it is the sequence from AT&T iccid, so you know why. like I said, if you're new to this, it might not make any sense to you. But if you have if you've been doing this kind of unlocks, you know, we are using AT&T network to unlock other devices, but it won't work on AT&T itself. So just wait. This happened last a few weeks, and the iccid came back. AT&T iPhones, it's standby for now until a new solution. It will, I don't know when, but the developers are working on that solution. So that takes me to my iPhone from T-Mobile. And remember, we're gonna use the AT&T SIM card. This is the Verizon and AT&T, T-Mobile. And then same scenario. Your iPhone, it is from Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, Cricket, Metro, Boost Mobile. Other than AT&T, this is how you're gonna unlock it. Remember, if you have the smart card, they're not working for now until we find a new solution. If you have an AT&T iPhone, not working for now until we have a new solution. But if your iPhone belongs to other carrier other than AT&T, this is the solution: a Gevey Pro or MKSD4. For in this case, this is an iPhone XR. We're gonna use we need the whole piece, and we need to have our active iccid. So same scenario, I'm gonna go to Google. I'm gonna type this shop store. This is all the good stuff that you need to know before you make any purchase. Please read through it. If you agree, just make the purchase. Just like I said, this kind of unlocks, we depend on Apple. Nothing we can do. I'm gonna copy my iccid. And when I say we need the whole piece for an iPhone XS through the 13 Pro Max, this is why. So this is the Gevey Pro. You can see better like this. This is the Gevey Pro, Gevey Pro. You're gonna flip it over like this. If you have an iPhone XS through 13 Pro Max, you don't need to rip. You don't need to take anything. Just leave it as it is. The Pro sits on top of your SIM tray like this. And you're gonna grab your AT&T SIM card, fold it in half, put it in. And before we do anything else, let me show you once again. iPhone XR 15.1 SIM lock. Gonna close everything. Just leave my website up just in case I need the iccid again. Let me just copy again just in case. And I'm gonna put my Gevey Pro. Here's the menu. And you're gonna select edit. In this case, with the Gevey and your AT&T SIM card, we're gonna edit iccid. It comes with one. Just double tap it and delete it, and paste mine ending 5742. Hit send, accept. And I'm waiting, just give it a couple of seconds. There you go, signal is full. Swipe up, continue. There you go, guys. The iPhone has been unlocked. Not only that, the general, about, here's all the information, 15.1, and no SIM restrictions. And as you can see, it's reading AT&T. So now I can take this out. Remember, so you need the Gevey Pro and you need to have an AT&T SIM in order for you to do this kind of lock. I'm gonna put this on the side, and Let me see what I put it. I'm gonna grab my AT&T by itself. Turn off the Wi-Fi. I don't need it anymore.
Welcome to AT&T Prepaid.
Okay, AT&T Prepaid. You can take it off and you can add any SIM card, any carrier, or the one that you like, or the one that you wanted to unlock, or the carrier you want to use in your iPhone. This is for Verizon. Waiting for the signal to be picked up. It's for Verizon, but this SIM card doesn't have any service, so I'm just waiting to see if they can at least make a phone call to customer service. No. Okay, no problem. So this is how you unlock your iPhones for now. Anything other than AT&T, those are not working at the moment. Just put them aside. But just remember, you need the Gevey Pro, or you need the MKSD4. It is the same process. Edit iccid, put the one is active on my website, and you need a AT&T SIM card. So you can choose either or, and plus the SIM card, AT&T SIM card, and you should be able to semi-factory unlock your iPhone. T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, Boost, Cricket, Metro, Total Wireless. I mean, you name it. Everything except AT&T. Okay, hope you like this video and let me know. Bye.